Are you currently having problems with not being able to log in into the Nectar app and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix it. So as you can see, I'm currently on the Nectar app right here, and when I click on login, as you can see, it just basically loads and it doesn't actually let me log in. So to be able to fix this, because I've had this issue like multiple times for some reason, I don't know why it keeps happening, but I was able to fix it by going out of the Nectar app, and instead we're going to go into our settings app. So open up the settings app on your phone. Now scroll down in here, and then we're going to click on general, as you can see. So click on general, scroll down a little bit again, and click on storage in here. And by the way, sometimes this might take a couple of seconds for this page to completely load, just so you know. And by the way, if you're using an Android, it's going to be the exact same steps. Just find storage on your settings on your Android. It's going to be the exact same step by step after that. So I'm just going to now scroll down in here until I can find a Nectar app. I think it's all the way, sorry, I think it's somewhere here actually. Just a second, let's see if I can find it. Might have actually scrolled past it. I'm just going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner instead. And I'm going to search for Nectar and click on the Nectar app in here, as you can see. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Offload app. And then once again, click on Offload app in here, as you can see. Then I'm going to click on the blue button here once again, and I'm going to wait for my Nectar app to completely update to the latest version, as you can see. So I did this a couple of times myself before, and it worked after update basically. So try this yourself, and hopefully this will now work for you as well.